Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, smart entry key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Experience it for yourself today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.